broke people compete. Billionaires and millionaires, they're collaborating. Benghazi, Bugatti. Benghazi, Mercedes. Jacob & Co. with whom? Bill Gates with whom? Facebook with whom? They're collaborating, and we are here competing with each other? Come on. Billionaires, millionaires, you would never seen them competing. They're always sitting together in the cigar room, talking and innovative stuff and trying to socialize, trying to be like, how can we work together? How can we build together? True. Instead of competing, I would always say, work together.
You know something crazy? Cat Williams made a lot of comments about people in that interview he did on Club Shay Shay. Caused a lot of stir. But one thing I'm looking at this, you know, the color right here, right? We always want to compete because we're taught that only one of us could be at the top. Only a few of us could be at the top at the time. So we have to go after each other. We're taught that way. But what he's saying, the really wealthy, the people that they collaborate, they do deals. You see Nike merging with this one, and this one is doing a deal with this, and the Gap is doing a deal. This is how you do it. Kanye kind of understood that to that point. The deals are done through collaborations. You think Puffy made Ciroc? Ciroc been around. They just brought him in to collaborate with them to use his name and personality to push their brand. He became a brand ambassador. That's a collaboration. Those of us who are really successful, we understand that. The deals are done. We're like, oh no, it's my baby, it's my thing. I don't want to share it. Yeah, okay, well, fine. Then you will stay at a certain height and a certain level. You will never go to the heights of heights because, as he said, billionaires, wealthy people collaborate. And I don't know about you, but I want to collaborate with the people that are doing the things that are going in the direction that I want to go in. I'm not going to say yes to everybody because certain people don't fit my core beliefs and standards. But I know the key is not independence, it's interdependence. And that's where success falls. You ready? Let's grow.